my aunt and uncle's house, and they have dual zone heat pumps. I have recorded this place. I've recorded these heat pumps twice, but two of those videos never got uploaded, so hopefully this one will. But here are their dual zone heat pumps. I have permission to be here all I want. An American Standard Gold Series. Climate-Tough reciprocating compressor. And there's the reversing valve. Suction line. Accumulator. Big Climate-Tough red. 2012 3-ton. And those cool swept wing blades. And then a Daikin, or Daikin, whatever, I pronounce it Daikin, with a Copeland scroll compressor. And there is the reversing, see if you can see it, there is the reversing valve down there. There's all that. Tiny reversing valve, but yeah, it doesn't look like this one's been running. I can't tell on this one because it's got this top. The data on this one, it's from, let's see here, 2016, and it is a 2-ton. 2016 2-ton, 2012 3-ton. None of them appear to be running right now, but I'm pretty sure they have been. Let me feel the lines. I have permission to be here. This one has not been running, at least not in heat mode. It's about 40 degrees today. This one is like super insulated, so I'm not sure. Let's see. I can't really tell. I think it has been. But yep, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my tripod. And my aim here was to get a defrost today, but I can see that that's probably not gonna happen. So I'm gonna go get my tripod and at least try to get a startup from one of them. Well, of course, something started up while I was gone getting my tripod. The Daikin. I missed the startup from the Daikin. It's running in heat mode. I believe these units have demand defrost. Can't believe I missed that startup. If I would have stayed around. I was gone for literally 2 minutes to get my tripod, and the thing started up in heat mode. But yeah, here it is running in heat mode. Nice and warm. Alright. So nice that I've got a relative who has dual zone heat pumps. Because that's my dream HVAC system right here, dual zone heat pumps. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the tripod. Oh, and there was a shutdown. I got that shut down on 2 devices. Alright, nice. Now that I know that that one's been cycling, I can wait for another startup of it.